I have to remove this wood so I can replace the handle. How I'm doing that? With a lot of patience and with the tools that I have at hand. Trying to drill the wood out partially. Little by little, I have to remove it all. I can use a screwdriver as a chisel and hammer. Might wonder why is this white. Guess what I mixed with this? In the comments. Yeah, meanwhile I got the long wood drill and I'm trying to use this. Because I noticed with the chisel I'm not doing anything inside there. This might be destroying the wood drill because it's getting in contact with the metal, but it's still okay. I mean, okay, gotta do it. Gotta make sacrifices. I think we got all out. Let's see. Is this it? A few particles there. All good. So I have these two new handles. This is a new shovel, I think. And this is one of the old ones that we broke yesterday. This one fits in the longer one, but this is actually for the smaller one. The problem is with the new one, it's too big of a hole and it goes through it. This part goes better. So we're gonna use the shorter one for this one, longer one for this one. I'm gonna work around a little bit with the grinder to grind a little bit the wood so it goes deeper, so it has more stability. I'm gonna hammer it a little bit more on the inside, grind the tip a little bit so it doesn't bother us, and then it's good to go. A nail will go in these two holes or two screws, then we're all set. got 2 nails. This might be too long, but we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put this away. We're gonna hammer the nails on the inside. Which way should I do it? Let's do it downwards. Put it on the ground so the table don't shake as much. Do we need the second one? Probably not, but we have the hole, so why not put it in? All set. Ready to use new shovel. Will it work? On the dry ground, probably not. But I'll show you if it's a diesel or gasoline engine in it. Okay, now for the second one, we need to grind it a little bit so it goes further in. Now that these 2 tools are ready, just gonna use an old piece of cloth and use some natural oil to preserve them a little bit. You should do this like a few times so the oil goes into the wood and it will last longer. The wood is not going to rot. I'm going to leave it in the sun so the sun dries it, so it makes it go in the wood faster. You don't really see a difference, but there is one in the color I meant. Okay, let's do this one as well. It will stay in the sun like 10 minutes and then it's gonna dry up completely.